Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to create and manage the anchor tag. So, what are anchor tags? Anchor tags are the A tag. We put the tab in the Visual Studio Code to make it faster. So, we open the A tag, we create the element href to make the path of the place where we want to go, and we put a name. Like click here, and inside it we put the path to the page. So what we can see is a button that we click and we go to somewhere else. Now we are going to the live server and we are going to check it in real life. So we will put a text saying click here. Now we are going to go to the second page, so we want to put second page.html, so we need to put the name and the document type. Now that we saved it, the live server will make the job to reload it, then we click and we are in the second page. Okay, now we want to go to a page inside another folder. We cannot use the same element path that we used before. We click here, but we cannot get the example second page.html. So what we need to do, we need to put the folder name before with a slash. So we click here and we can find the second page. So what we want to do, we want to go to a page before the root page. So what do we want to do? We want to go to a location before that we are in the moment. We cannot go to the second page from here because it's from an external page, as I said. So we need to put two dots and a slash to know the page where we want to go. So we click here and we can go to the second page that are before our main page. Now, what we want to do is completely different. Instead of moving inside pages, inside our local folders, we want to go to an external site. So, as an example, we are going to Google. So we put https the site name google.com, and then we will be able to go to the site. Finally, we will learn how to open the page in another page. We add the element target equals two quotes, then we put underscore blank. Now we save it, and instead of having our page disappeared, and we can navigate, of course, can go back and go forward, but instead of going back, we just open another page. I'll show you again. We click it and it will open automatically in another page. If we remove the blank, it will again open in our page. So thank you guys and see you soon.